Alright, I clapped. Alright, let's act professional now. Runway. Direct to Kilo. Juliet. Juliet. Alright, Ryan. Bravo, Romeo. Enter. Activate. We're going to have a course of 055. 055. 040 045 05. 0055. Alright, you're ready. We're going to taxi down to runway 19er. 19, I'm ready to taxi. Alright, landing right, coming on. 3385.1. 22.7, good. Good. Alright, you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Clear left, clear right. Roger. Alright, go. Alright. You want me to get ready of this so you can do that? I can do it. I got it. Alright, then go. Cersei traffic, Skyhawk 51945, try taxi 19, Cersei. Yeah. Oh, that's Diego's fault.
Yeah, that is Diego's fault, but oh well.
He never texted me back. Come on, Baron. Come on, Coden. Get your butt out of the way. It's Kirk. Oh, whatever. Still, Kirk, get out of your way. Get out of my way.
We're in a little friggin' 150, dude. Or 172, shit.
I guess I could pull in front of, I don't really want to pull in front.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't pull in front of them either. We're top alpha thrill, so we're good.
I was thinking about pulling him. Did you get the hops recorded?
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, they're sort of right in the middle of the taxiway.
I was thinking pulling in front of there.
Yeah, don't pull in front of Rennie, would be pissed.
Well. Colin might be in the back.
Colin is in the back. I'd stop it down here. Ooh. We're probably getting blown by the prop wash.
Yeah.
You just want to do your run up here?
Man,
I mean, we can.
Not really.
324 problem, hit them. Stop.
For real. Up, down, up. I don't see how I could be getting blown by them though. I'm like 200 feet back.
I don't know how long they're gonna be. We're trying to get the hell out of here, man.
This DG is way off.
What is that, 350?
Yeah.
A24A, hurry up.
Thursday traffic, bearing 248 Bravo is going to be departing 19, be a right turn to the southwest. Thursday traffic.
Perfect.
See ya. Poodles? My goodles. You wanna get Newport's AWAS? Up in there?
What is it?
Oh, you have an iPad? Come on, Kurt. Let's go.
1815. There you go.
Alright, let me...
Alright, they're departing.
Are they actually departed though? Lights, camera, action. Go right behind their weight.
The hell?
What?
Oh, nothing. I was just looking at something.
Oh, you're looking at the Memphis Center?
Yeah.
Freak?
Yeah.
That's the wrong freak.
For Jonesboro?
Yeah. It's 120.07. If you look on the approach plate.
Oh, I got you.
I'm not straight.
Hold the brakes.
Fucker, I'm just... Alright. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. And right.
Alright, I'm gonna put them up here. There goes that Baron.
Extra going rich up to 17. I got the brakes.
10-4.
Lock it in. Smooth. Alright, yeah, that's smooth. Carb heat. Good. The sections, good. Oil pressure, oil temperatures in the green, got plenty of fuel. Amp meters are showing 0, and we are going back to idle. Make sure it still runs at auto. Yep, still runs at idle. Let's get this 200. Where's the Baron at?
They said they're parting to the northwest.
Thought they said southwest.
Yeah, southwest, my bad.
That's good, that's good, that's good.
Alright, I'm ready to go. Are you ready to go?
Make sure I didn't miss any of my... Can you go through the takeoff?
Yeah, to run a brake set, fuel, trim, flight control, instruments,
Got everything.
mixture, primer,
Yeah,
mags, carburetor heat, vacuum, amps, oil pressures, oil temperature,
yeah,
idle,
Yeah.
and throttle friction.
yeah.
Okay, alright, perfect. Checklist is complete then.
Lights. Or lights. Camera. Action. You ready to get the fuck out of here?
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Let's go to JBR, folks. Lights.
Alright, my hands are free, flash. Oh shit.
Wow. Hey, you might want to hold on to the camera while we depart.
Woo!
Hold on to this camera too. Thank you. Alright. Clear? Don't see anybody? Don't see anybody?
You seen one-on-one?
No, you see anybody down there?
Nope. I'll do, departing to the northeast?
Yeah, go make a left down when departure, but yeah.
Okay. Go! Go! Searchy traffic, Skyhawk 51904 Foxtrot departing 19, gonna be left down one departure to the northeast, Searchy traffic.
Let's go. Let's hear. Ooh, it's gonna be almost a direct off your left.
Yeah, fuck it. 19.
Yeah, squirrely this shit.
Searcy traffic, Cessna 41850 uniform, about 5 miles to the northeast at 2000.
5 to the northeast. Airspeed is alive. Is it? Yep, it is.
Brakes.
Where? You say brakes or birds?
Brakes.
Oh,
As in Doug Hamilton's nickname.
too soon.
Yeehaw! It's gonna be fun today, boys.
Hey,
I gotta end this.
Alright, he's 5 to the northeast at 2000. I'm gonna kind of come up here and then come square my base off, or my crosswind off.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna... You need me for a second?
Negative.
Okay, I'm plugging in my phone.
Roger.
If you need me, let me know. Oh yeah, I gotta hold that. Give me 2.5 seconds.
Man, for the density altitude, we're climbing pretty good.
Yeah, there's only 2 of us motherfuckers in here.
Yeah, we're light.
I got the, deal.
I wanna fly this heading for a little bit,
That's fine with me.
so we can get above
2,000?
Yeah, the 2000, dude.
Well, remember, you got, Colton out here.
Yeah, I know.
Very good. What time is departure?
Well, we're half hour late on departing. It's 12:30. Now we can make a quick turn to Jonesboro. Ah, the Dead Sea altitude is real. Alright. He's 5 to the northeast. We'll just follow in. Oh, 5 to the northeast at 2,000. Okay. Or 1,300. Dang, you're way off center line. I know. Jesus Christ. I'll tell you, I'm just kind of flying out here so I can get above 2. That would be a good time for ADSB, eh? Yeah. Our ground speed's fucking ridiculous. What is it, 68 knots? Yeah. Wow. We're not climbing worth a jack shit. Look, I thought that bird splat was an airplane.
And Hebrew traffic, Cirrus 234 off Foxtrot is upwind, runway 23, going to be departing to the south. Hebrew traffic.
Yep, make a radio call. Yeah, we're passing 2,000 on the left downwind. Or 3,500. We're on the left. Okay. Surtees traffic, Skyhawk 51, 904 Foxtrot. Left down 19, climbing through 2,200, 3,500, departing the area to the northeast, Surtees traffic. You said 9. I said 19. I'm pretty sure you said 19, or 9, but whatever. I said 19, whatever, it doesn't fucking matter. 90 knots in the climb. We've been running for 0.2. Really? Well. $2,500. Let's watch for this other aircraft out here to the northeast. Gotcha. Past the 25. It's actually relatively smooth. Yeah, we say that now. Yeah, for real. KSRC. We're gonna land runway 23. Coming on the left-hand one. Is it left pattern? I thought it was right.
That was 2826 level 340.
Wrong frequency. How do I go? How do I see that? Zoom in. Does it say that on Jonesboro? No, it's everything's left in. Okay. Yeah, let's try. 3. I'm gonna text Noah and tell him we're should be there soon. Fuck, I should have put my laundry in the dryer. Yeah, you should have, homie. $3,000. We're well clear. We're gonna go right past Newport. I think I see Newport out there. Yeah, I see a Davidson anything else. Huh? You texted Noah? Yeah, I texted Noah. Alright, landing light. Taxi light can come off. Actually, let's keep. Yeah, we're at 3. It should be a fact. Nautical miles, he said he was northeast of 5? Yeah. Are we about 5? Taking care of some IFA business, so if you need me, let me know. What happened? Oh, this guy, A320 series. Fuck. Or 737. Are y'all doing test? Series.
You on course?
Turning on course right now.
10-4.
Tempo. Turkey, McBurkey. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. This is our captain speaking from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude of 3,500. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this very bumpy flight to Jonesboro, Arkansas. Our estimate time of arrival is approximately, I don't know,
traffic,
in about 20 minutes at 3,500. Currently going 105 knots over the ground with 100 or with 95 knots indicated. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this flight. Ooh, cloud.
I think Noah just texted me.
Roger. Wow, I'm having to hold so much rack or down pressure. Holy shit. Reducing to 24. Look at that, cool.
I said en route to JBR, should be there within the hour.
What'd he say?
It's a good deal. Do you work at Arkansas Air Center?
How many FBOs are on the field?
I think that's the FBO.
The Air Center?
Yeah.
Okay. That's my first time going to Jonesboro.
Yeah, fuck it, go ahead, right? It's gonna get a little bumpy under these clouds.
Yeah.
Failed descent. Of course it did.
Ooh, it's gonna be bumpy.
A little bit, yeah.
We're under these clouds. They're gonna be bumpy all the way there.
That's fine.
Just made a power adjustment, calm down.
You want me to lean your mixture out?
I'm not gonna do it too far, because I'm gonna be constantly adjusting power. You ever notice this plane needs a lot of nose down trim for cruise?
Yeah, you know why?
Why is that?
Got a climb prop on it.
Does it?
Yep.
Alright, we're over here by Mike 74. We can switch to 22.8 since we're gonna be coming over to Newport. So we can switch that. You wanna get Jonesboro ATIS? Or AWAS or whatever?
Yeah, yeah.
And their frequency plugged in? Unless you wanna fly.
No, I can get there at ATIS.
Alright.
Plugged in.
It's actually AWAS, but
It gives a fuck. 118-525.
118-525.
118-5, so it's the bottom. 5, 2.
That it? 118-525.
118-525.
Yeah, that's it.
And their CTAF is 123 nothing.
Alright, you wanna get 23 nothing in the standby 2?
Versus this one?
Yeah, calm 1 standby. Staying ahead of the airplane. Also, I know, you wanna plug in the ILS frequency for 23? Just because we've never been there, we can help that track us even though we're VFR. Scroll down. Scroll down. Approaches.
Arrival or
Approach.
ILS localizer?
Yeah.
Where would I find that?
Up here. 110.15.
So where do I do that? 110.15.
I think. Yeah, 110.15. Yeah.
110.15. There you go.
Yeah. Also, you can set it down here. 110.15.
And no, I'm doing that wrong.
Hit that. There you go.
What is it?
110.15.
110.15. 110.
Yeah, what's the approach course?
Monticello traffic, King Air 8702, Charlie with
30.
to the north inbound 21.
I don't know if this is gonna work, but hey, fuck it, right? There you go, 230. 230.
Off course.
Yeah, I'm aware.
Get on course.
Shut up. I'm flying VFR. Man, it's still pretty flooded out here, wow. Green, plenty of gas. How far away from Newport? Just out of curiosity. We could use a roller distance. Oh, we're still 25, 23, something like that. We're gonna be skirting the edge of their airspace. Wow, we're going 115 over the ground, so I'm not too worried. That's bumpy. Woo! Actually not that bad. Nothing we can't handle, right? Diego? I don't know. See, this looks like a new radio set. They might have just like polished it and stuff, and cleaned it. It looks like he cleaned the interior, which is kind of nice. How much I hate these sunglasses. Why the fuck are you wearing them? Because I can't fly without sunglasses. I can drive, but I can't fly. It hurts my eyes too much. Sounds like a personal issue to me. Hey, firm. Hey, firm. Roger. I posted up in Sirius Max's Discord. I said, while everybody's at FlightSimCon, I'm out here enjoying some real world fun.
778 Foxtrot on 1 mile final 18. Stuttgart.
Stuttgart. That's where we need to go. Stuttgart. Hey, firm. I gotta get that envelope Jonesboro, Little Rock, ADF cross country knocked out. Let's do it. Let's go. Kevin is a fantastic pilot, but kind of want to fly with like Coop or Jacob or someone like that.
Monticello traffic, Hangar 87.
You hear me, dog?
Yeah.
Honestly, I fly with Kevin any day of the week. Kevin is a phenomenal pilot. Kind of all over the place with altitude, but this is a chill flight. Wow, this power is... Tighten your friction lock. Dude, my friction lock is all the way tight. But Roger. We got a good tailwind. Yep. I cheated. Hand direct enter from my spot so I can get that needle lined up. Tracking is 061. I gotta get 054. Yeah, I'm on course now. Hey, you want to fly for a little bit? Maybe give me like 3-4 seconds. I can't reach the rudder pedals though. Okay, I can get your rudder pedals. I mean, it's a Cessna, it flies coordinated in flight. Your flight controls? Yeah, my flight controls. Your flight controls. You know, I always gotta get the daily snap. Daily snap, there it is. Crystal clear quad, you know. Do you bring my power out some? It's at 2450. And I kind of want to open the window, but I just turned this. Yeah, going 117 knots. Yeah, negative. At 110. 110. Negative. Well, these clouds lowered.
5 Zulu. Wind 150 at 13. Visibility 10. Sky condition few 4,900. Temperature
I disagree.
30 Celsius. Dew point 19 Celsius. Altimeter 3004. Remarks? Density altitude
Dillon County traffic says 62689er, about 10 miles to the southeast and bound for runway 20.
That's the METAR. Come on. You have cellular Wi-Fi. You should be able to pull up the METAR. iPad, you're on 3G. Check my power. It's at 2450. What do you want it at? I was 2300. 2350, that's what I always been taught. Look at our ground speed, holy shit. Yeah, dude, we're calling ass. Pretty much are. That's your days behind us, right? Yeah. That's going to be a very windy landing into Jonesboro. Why is that? 210 at Niner, gusty 16. Okay. 10 miles, scattered 47, broken 65. Temperature 29 or dew point 19, altimeter 3006. How long ago was that? 54 minutes ago. So okay, probably updated. Density altitude 2,000 feet. What's T3? How long is it? It's the longest runway. It's like 6,000 and something. I can look real quick. Yeah, look real quick. Runway 2 tree. Runway 2 tree is 6,200 by 150.
We got plenty of runways in.
Oh yeah. Unless you want to land on runway 31.
Which I wants to fucking direct crosswind kiss my ass.
4,099 feet by 150. 4,099. Yep. Back at 4,100 feet. It's not bad. You can put assessment down.
Altitude. Losing altitude.
Yeah, I know. Let me give you a little bit more juice. Yeah. Cool. We're just now by Mike 19.
Dillon County traffic, Cessna 62689 is about 5 miles to the southwest at...
We're going to be from the southwest.
1-8, low approach, Charlie Baker.
One at a time. This is what it looked like on the way back from, or down to Texarkana. That's easy over here. You're at 45. I'm at 35. Or 35, my bad. Alright, you want flight controls? Got him. Your flight controls. You not like flying? I mean, you gave them back so fast.
Charlie Baker traffic, 5 miles 7 Romeo Victor, left base runway 18, Charlie Baker.
Feels like I'm always flying. You're really not. Sure don't feel like that. So to change back to the VLOX, you just hit this in? Yeah. I got you. That's... What's 114.3? Whose VOR is that?
Dillon County traffic, Cessna 62689
You're the one that has the iPad. I don't memorize VOR freaks.
Gonna cross over midfield, enter the left downwind for runway 20, Dillon County traffic.
Can I see that iPad real quick? Okay, on the sectional it says ASOS 1852 262 with a little asterisk and L 62 and then 123.0. Okay. Maybe I'm thinking of freaking Hebrew or Hot Springs that's has a 5 and 2, 3 and one of them's right-handed. My bad.
Dillon County traffic, Cessna 626.
Can we talk one at a time, please? Thank
That
you.
would be nice.
Gosh, my eardrums just got blown out there. Okay.
What? It's 12:51. We got 32 miles.
Charlie Baker traffic, 707 Romeo Victor, left downwind runway 18, low approach, Charlie Baker.
Oh my God. I see Newport.
Yeah, there's Newport off your left.
Wayne County traffic, Cessna 62689, entering left downwind for runway 20. Wayne County.
And this is why I'm on frequencies.
Why?
Because in Newport, we're close to Newport.
Good enough draft.
Okay.
Base beginning count, bearing 23S, left base 18.
Did he say 23S?
Yeah. Holy shit.
God damn, we picked up some speed. Holy shit.
I lowered the nose because we were in an updraft.
Base runway 20.
I hate 122.8.
For real.
It's the worst freaking frequency ever.
Yeah, for real.
I know, North Border Rock frequency used to be 1230, but they changed it.
12307.
Final 18 base.
Yeah, it's now 12307. It used to be 123.
Wayne County traffic, Cessna 62689, entering final runway 20. This will be a full stop.
Got your boss, man. Full stop, Cersei. Cersei traffic, Skyhawk 5194 Foxtrot, truck final 19, gonna be a full stop, Cersei.
Players with RFA, she used to pay with it for food street.
Why do you sound like an 85-year-old man trying to fly an airplane?
Negative. I'm 19.
This has been a .4 flight right now.
Raj.
Say Raj.
Raj, we're going 115 knots over the ground.
I mean, you know, slight business work.
Man, we're 28 miles out. Oh my. Hashtag life is of a cross country. There's Newport right there.
Good for
It's
Newport.
probably gonna be like a 1.9.
I thought Bush would be back by 2, and we still have to work today.
Rip. Rip us. Rip us. What is today? Sunday?
Yeah,
Oh hell, it's gonna be busy, dude.
Yeah, it's gonna be busy as hell.
Great. I think Trent's working tonight.
Hey, Trent?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank gosh, he can. It's probably gonna be me, you, Trent, and
Probably Devin.
Devin or Jesus. Probably Devin.
Money, 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 giving back money.
I want to
Charlie
be.
Baker traffic, 707
Hey,
Romeo
26
Victor,
miles.
left downwind runway 18, Charlie Baker.
Did we pass Newport yet?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm switching to 123.
Why? We're right here.
I asked you if we passed Newport, you said yeah, so I...
Oh, I thought you were talking about like if we like. I think that's Jonesboro right there, off the nose.
8 Mach 2.
There's Memphis. We have a river. Where's the river? Or this GPS is out of date. Because it says we're... Oh, never mind. We crossed it back there. It's kind of bumpy.
A little bit. But, I mean, you know, what you gonna do about it?
Yep. What you gonna do about it? Summertime fun in
Baker
Arkansas.
traffic, 707 Romeo Victor, left base runway 18, Charlie Baker.
If we go somewhere over Christmas break, where do you want to go?
I'm easy, I don't care.
I kind of want to go to New York. Or spring break, New York. Go see Max, fly to Cirrus. Go down the Hudson.
I guess.
I mean, he already said we could. He said that we need to go up. I need to go up. Well, me and you need to go up there. Well, he said I need to go up there so he can take me down the Hudson. I said, can I come with? Is it okay if I invite my brother? He said, oh yeah, man. You need to hop into one of his streams again.
I need to get Twitch on my iPad and see when he's fucking streaming.
Dude, Twitch on iPad? Ain't nothing like it.
That's what I need to get. Because
Yeah,
every
dude.
time I get an email notification, I'm like, oh shit, I missed the fucking stream.
Viking traffic, bearing 925 Papa, 10 miles.
I don't know if I told you this, he did an IRL stream in Boston. Did I tell you that?
No, you did.
He took this girl flying to Boston for a date, like for an all-day date. And he streamed it. And
Okay, we're past Newport. I'm switching.
Roger. Got to switch that.
Let's see if we can get the weather.
Go for it.
We're 22 out, we should.
1852.
11852.
Interesting.
There's
22 miles to the southwest, going to enter the left downwind runway 23, Jonesboro.
I'm gonna double check.
Yep. Always double check. If we need to, we can put it in COM 1.
118525.
Yeah, that's on 52.
118525. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can get it again, because it just gave me the alert. I hear it.
I think we're a little bit too low. Pick it up.
Alright, I'm gonna see if I can put it in here. Where is it? 118?
It's down there.
52?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I already passed it.
There it goes. Yeah, we can't pick it up yet.
Ooh, Gust.
There you go.
Niner. Visibility.
Wow.
Sky condition, few, 5,000. Temperature, 31 Celsius. Dew point, 1.
Is this called 2 or COM 1? Alright, yeah, I don't... Alright, just put it on Unicom, please.
Give me 1 second.
Let's get this open.
What did you do?
Turn on COM 2.
Oh, put it on COM 2?
No, I put it on COM 2, yeah. Like, so we can do both. We're X-minning on 1, and we're listening to 2. That's what this button is. I don't think you can transmit on 2, honestly.
You can, I think.
That needle showing with deflection, but it says God sloping. That might actually work. Because it's showing deflection, and that's showing down, so...
That's the ADF, I don't know what the fuck it to be that.
Just to fuck around with it. What is our heading? Ah crap, I can't go back. I'm gonna set this to... right there.
Jonesboro traffic, Weber 2708, taxiing for runway 23, Jonesboro.
Okay, well, let's just use 23 then.
That's interesting. I just turned it off, rip. You know
What did?
I turned it off, this, like that, it turns it off. That's interesting.
See if you can pick up the weather.
Check, 1, 2. Check.
Yeah.
100. Jonesboro Municipal Airport, Jonesboro, Arkansas.
You bet.
Estimated weather observation 1759er Zulu. Wind 180 at 13. Peak gusts 22. Visibility
This gonna be
10.
fun.
Sky conditions
Peak gust 22?
5,000.
Holy shit.
Temperature 31 Celsius. Dew point
I know.
19 Celsius. Altimeter 3004. Remarks. Density altitude 2,100.
Alright. I gotta go back to Unicom. Interesting.
Okay. You want me to go back to Unicom, or what do you want me to do?
I know that's not working. Alright, it's on Unicom. You want me to talk or do you want to talk?
I'm gonna do the initial.
Alright, so we're 12 to the southwest.
We're 14.
Oh, rip. Okay, first of all, you're gonna have to cut that. Attitude.
Well, you want to enter the 45 for the left down one?
We're just gonna enter the left downwind. They're just gonna come straight in on the downwind.
Okay. Well, it's technically we're at a 45-degree angle.
Roger.
We're 12 southwest.
Or 13 southwest.
Whatever the fuck it is.
At 3,300. What's better than altitude?
God damn it!
How is that my fault then?
Because you're the Compile in command.
Baxter County, Cessna 526, just departed Gadsden's. I am west of Baxter County, northeastbound, climbing out of 1,600.
Okay, we get it. Put the 1,060. 1,060. 1,001.
Hot Springs traffic, Citabria 11646 is currently 11.5 miles south.
Alright, I see the airport. You wanna call? Yeah, 12 miles to the southwest. Gonna enter the left downwind for 233. Okay, 1 miles. Or, I'm just gonna say 11 miles to the southwest. Or 12. 11 now. Okay, Jonesboro. Jonesboro traffic, Skyhawk 51904 Foxtrot is 11 miles to the southwest, and in the left downwind 23, Jonesboro. You should have said altitude, but whatever. I am gonna start a little channel this. I've got Jonesboro on site, I believe. Yeah, it's Jonesboro. Keep your eyes out for traffic, please.
Delta Regional traffic, evac 42 is 4 miles to the northeast at 2,000. We're transitioning from north to south, inbound for landing vicinity of the hospital, Forest City, Delta Regional traffic.
Excuse me. Nine miles to southwest, ascending 2,600 for 1,000. Okay. Alright. Go for it. Jonesboro traffic, Skyhawk 51904 Foxtrot's 9 miles to the southwest. Gonna enter the left downwind for runway 23, descending out of 2,500 for 1,000. Jonesboro. Don't cross control this bitch. Yeah, no, it's stuck.
Temperature 32 Celsius.
Why can we pick it up this close to the airport?
2.19 Celsius. Altimeter 3004. Remarks. Density altitude 2,001.
Departing runway 23 to the north. Correct.
We're 8 to the southwest. That's what I said. Or I said 9 to the southwest. And you want to give them an update? Out of 22. I'm trying to figure out which one's 2-3. That one over there, the paved one. Okay. I come out here and then enter. Yeah, I'll watch for the guy that's departing to the north. Oh, I got it. I got the runway. So. Alright, 7 to the southwest. Yeah, I got a handy left down there. 2,200 of it descending. Jonesboro traffic, Skyhawk 51904 Foxtrot, 7 miles to southwest. Gonna enter left downwind for runway 23, descending out at 2,100 for 1,000, Jonesboro. Fuck this is gonna be fucking fun. Are we flaps 10? Yeah. 20. Roger. Yep, confirm. Welcome to Jones, lights. Gas, undercarriage, mixture, power sets, seatbelt straps, and flaps. I've got 2-3 inside. Roger, me too. That airport's easy to spot. Yeah. Woo! It is a bumping. Man, that pull looks refreshing. That pull looks refreshing. There it is. That pull looks refreshing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like half a dozen to a dozen pulls down there. Okay, therefore,
Jonesboro traffic, Whopper 2708, turning to a heading of 005. Last call, Jonesboro.
005. He's going to be off. Well, he's going to be that. He's not a factor for us. You see him? Nope. I think I see him. Alright. I'm about to say 4 miles to the southwest. Enter the downwind, but whatever. I'll just wait until you can do whatever you want. I'm just gonna say enter the downwind for 2-3. Yeah, because that thing uses the center of the airport. Yeah, okay. So entering the left downwind? I'll just wait a little bit. I'm gonna say it's 4 southwest for the left downwind 2-3.
You can say now. Right where about a crosswind turn would be. Or entering.
Or downwind?
Yeah. Or a little bit high.
Okay.
Go.
Jonesboro traffic, Skyhawk 5194 Foxtrot is entering the left downwind 23, Jonesboro.
230.
It's good. Focus on flying the airplane.
Yeah, no, I was just set my velo right, just in case if I needed it. Alright. You say we're entering the downwind?
Yes, I did.
Sky condition scattered.
I wanted to get the wind. Where are they? Oh, yo, are we gonna park?
Arkansas Air Center. We'll have some with Marshall Wilson. Alright, iPad's going up.
Gotcha. It might be Noah, honestly.
Yeah, he says he's working till 2.
What time is it?
Like 1, I think. You know, freaking time.
Yeah, dude, we're getting blown.
Into the runway. You're at 1,400, FYI.
I'm aware. The pattern altitude's 1,000. Like you briefed me on. Get some nose up trim. Slow down a little bit.
That's a nice airport.
Municipal Airport, Jonesboro, Arkansas.
I just want to get the
Automated weather observation 1807 Zulu. Wind 190 at 11. Peak gusts 22. Visibility.
You're gonna have a hell of a crosswind.
That's not that bad. Alright, I'm going gas and car. I'm still super fucking high.
And fast too, probably.
Yeah, I am. Couple swipes nose up trim. There's 3113. Check. We're on the right downwind, or I mean, we are on the right side of the runway.
Right, we're on the right left downwind.
Yeah, there you go. And we got slow down real quick. It's amazing what Trim can do.
1,003.
Gas, undercarriage, mixture power, seatbelt straps, and flaps. Man, we're still super high. Radius pattern.
Yeah, who cares?
Wow, this plane's not slow.
I've got the VOR out there.
Alright, you can get the flap.
Flap coming down. Indicating and showing.
Raj.
Left base.
Hold on, I gotta get down.
Airplane.
Yeah, I see it.
Turn in.
Go.
Jonesboro traffic, Skyhawk 5194 Foxtrot, turning left base 23, full stop, Jonesboro.
Super fucking high though. Raj.
Just drop that power. Drop the power.
Alright, we're gonna land long. I don't give a shit.
Now you got 1,600 feet. 200 feet. Who gives a fuck? Chop it.
It's chopped. I wouldn't say. Power off 180 for the wind.
Yeah, no shit.
I'm kidding. We wouldn't even make it. Dude, look, we're just getting blown. Alright, I'm gonna add a little bit of power.
Can we call final?
You just call base?
Yes.
Yeah, call final.
Jonesboro traffic, Skyhawk 5194 Foxtrot, short final 23, full stop, Jonesboro.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
This is ridiculous. Oh my gosh. What a...
Well, I mean, you're technically right on the glide slope.
No, I'm not. There it is. Coming in. Wow.
You just got blown onto the runway.
Yep.
Remember, don't get slow since we're in Gusty. Low.
Don't cross control, don't cross control, don't cross control. Don't cross control. 10 is plenty.
Okay. Keep your power in.
Yeah, firm. Woo! Put some hair on the peaches, boys. Sirius Max saying, shout out Sirius Max. What do you caught landing in runway and gust 22 knots.
Nope.
Yeah.
That shit was hella good. Gosh, dang, man. Greased. You can get off at Alpha.
Hey, fair. Holy shit.
Alpha 1, where the hell it is.
Alright, let's open these damn windows.
That was a hella nice landing. Holy shit.
Hey,
That was freaking hella nice. Oh my god.
Bro, you should have seen my face.
Oh, I saw your face.
You're like, I was working that shit to the ground. Oh god.
Clear 53 at Alpha 1.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call it. Jonesboro traffic, Skyhawk 51904 Fox Trust, clear 23 at Alpha 1, taxi ramp. Jonesboro.
I was kind of sporty gusting 2-2 right down there. I could feel it too. I was like, oh, you felt it right on short final?
That was hella nice though.
I was
Holy
like,
shit.
oh gosh. I was like, ooh. I was like, I had left and right. I was like, whew. That was,
I'm gonna put in Cersei in here so we don't waste time.
I mean, aren't we getting out?
Yeah.
I mean, when we,
It should stay. It should be.
it wasn't staying when we turn off the avionics.
It should.
It's not. Because
No.
me and Kevin tried that and it didn't work. Look at that windsock.
Is that the FBO over there? I think it's our. I don't know where the FBO is.
Well,
I think it's that TAM building over there.
that's the fire station.
I don't know where I am.
Well, I need the airport diagram.
I'm working on it.
Or you can just zoom in. Yeah, geo-referencing on
I don't know.
Yeah, there's
Okay.
our blue.
Keep on going down.
Yeah, I figured. Jonesboro, Arkansas. Jonesboro Municipal Airport. Jonesboro, Arkansas.
We're gonna take the next taxiway, not this one, but the next one.
Alright, not Foxtrot. Foxtrot.
You're not gonna cross 3-1.
Alright.
Take this next right.
This one?
No, not this one. I don't. Yeah, I think it should have been that one.
I can go up here.
I don't know where. I think no, that's the FBO right there where that jet is.
Yeah. Alright. Wow, look at that windsock. Yo, look at that windsock.
Yeah, my bad. No, I'm glad you didn't turn there.
I mean, I could've gotten.
Yeah, you could have gone there, but I'm glad you didn't.
Taxiway. Eco.
Actually, yeah, turn right here.
I don't know where they want me. I was parked next to the jet. I don't give a fuck. Wow, that's a direct
Turn right.
I am on Echo. Oh, there's McMahon out there.